The Bella 9.5 QT Triple-tier digital food steamer is a reliable kitchen appliance for those seeking a convenient way to prepare healthy meals at home. With its sleek stainless steel design and triple-tiered steaming baskets, this steamer offers both functionality and style. The use of stainless steel material not only ensures durability, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen countertop. The compact dimensions of 12.51 L into 9.25 W into 16.06 AH make it easy to store when not in use, making it an ideal choice for those with limited kitchen space. Weighing just 4.18 pounds, the Bella food steamer is lightweight and easy to move around, allowing for hassle-free meal preparation. The triple-tier feature enables you to steam different types of food, simultaneously saving you time and energy in the kitchen. The digital controls on this food steamer make it user-friendly and allow for precise steaming based on your preferences, whether you're cooking vegetables, fish, or dumplings.
The Aroma 5 QT, two-tier food steamer by Aroma Housewares, is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance suitable for a wide range of culinary needs. Crafted with a combination of stainless steel and plastic materials, this steamer boasts a sleek black exterior that complements any kitchen decor. Weighing just 3.1 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver. What sets this food steamer apart is its generous 5-quart capacity, providing ample space to steam a variety of ingredients simultaneously. The two-tier design allows for multitasking, enabling you to cook different foods on each tier for added convenience. Whether you're steaming vegetables, fish dumplings, or grains, this steamer delivers consistent results every time. Equipped with a user-friendly interface, the Aroma food steamer features intuitive controls that make operation a breeze. The steamer ensures even heat distribution, preserving the nutrients and flavors of your ingredients while promoting a healthier cooking method.
The Ovente 2 Tier electric food steamer is a sleek and efficient addition to any kitchen. With its durable stainless steel construction, this food steamer is built to last. The two-tier design allows you to steam different types of food simultaneously, saving you time and energy. Measuring at 7.5 L into 9.4 W into 11.4 H and weighing only 1.8 pounds. This food steamer is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and move around. The silver color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. The Ovente electric food steamer is not only practical, but also easy to use. The intuitive design makes steaming a variety of dishes hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this steamer is sure to elevate your cooking experience. Overall, the Ovente two-tier electric food steamer is a reliable kitchen appliance that delivers excellent results.
The Viver electric food steamer is a top-notch kitchen appliance that brings convenience and efficiency to your cooking routine. Made with high-quality transparent PP material, this steamer by Viver is a reliable choice for those looking to prepare healthy and delicious meals effortlessly. With product dimensions of 12.6 AL into 9.5 W into 13 H and weighing only 3.4 pounds, this electric food steamer is compact yet spacious enough to accommodate a variety of food items simultaneously. The transparent design allows you to monitor the cooking process without the need to open the steamer, ensuring your food is perfectly cooked every time. The Viver brand is synonymous with reliability and innovation, and this electric food steamer lives up to that reputation. Whether you are steaming vegetables, fish, or dumplings, this steamer delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Its user-friendly design and easy-to-clean feature make it a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their cooking.
Bella 2 Tier Food Steamer. The Bella 2 Tier Food Steamer is a versatile addition to any kitchen. With a sleek black color and durable stainless steel material, this steamer combines style with functionality. The Bella brand is known for its quality products, and this food steamer is no exception. Measuring at 14.17 inches in length, 10.23 inches in width, and 11.41 inches in height. This food steamer is compact yet spacious enough to steam various types of food simultaneously. Weighing only 3.53 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to move around your kitchen. One of the standout features of the Bella two-tier food steamer is its two-tier design, allowing you to steam different foods at the same time, saving you time and energy. The 2 tiers also enable you to cook a complete meal in one go, making it perfect for busy individuals or families. Additionally, this food steamer is easy to use and clean, making meal preparation a breeze. The stainless steel material ensures durability and longevity.
The Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer offers a convenient and efficient way to steam a variety of foods with ease. The sleek combination of black and stainless steel aesthetics adds a touch of modernity to any kitchen. Crafted from durable plastic and bearing the reputable Hamilton Beach brand name, this steamer is designed to withstand regular use. Measuring at 13.7 inches in length, 7.28 inches in width, and 12.6 inches in height, the product's compact size makes it ideal for kitchens with limited space. At just 3.97 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to move or store when not in use. This digital electric food steamer boasts user-friendly controls that allow for precise cooking times and optimal results. Its digital interface simplifies the steaming process, making it suitable for individuals of all cooking levels. Whether you are steaming vegetables, fish, or grains, the Hamilton Beach Digital Electric Food Steamer ensures.
The Cozy Max electric food steamer for cooking is a reliable kitchen appliance that combines convenience and efficiency in one sleek design. With its solid build quality, this steamer is made of durable plastic material and is presented in an elegant white color that will complement any kitchen decor. Measuring at 13.82 inches in length, 10.83 inches in width, and 15.94 inches in height, the Cozy Max electric food steamer offers ample space for steaming various ingredients simultaneously. At just 5.1 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to move around, making it ideal for both daily use and storing away when not in use. This steamer by Cozy Max stands out for its user-friendly design, providing straightforward controls that allow for easy operation. Whether you are steaming vegetables, fish, or rice, this appliance excels in producing evenly cooked and nutritious meals in a hassle-free manner. Overall, the Cozy Max electric food steamer for cooking is a fantastic addition to any kitchen.
The Joyce Chen 2-tier bamboo steamer baskets offer a convenient and efficient way to steam food to perfection. Constructed from natural bamboo, these steamer baskets by Joyce Chen are not only eco-friendly, but also durable and well-crafted. With a generous size of 10 inches in diameter, these steamer baskets provide ample space for steaming a variety of foods at once. The 2-tier design allows you to steam different types of food simultaneously, saving time and energy in the kitchen. The product dimensions of 10L into 10W into 6H make these baskets compact yet spacious, perfect for serving small to medium-sized meals. Weighing only 2 pounds, they are lightweight and easy to handle, ideal for daily use. Whether you are steaming vegetables, dumplings, fish, or poultry, the Joyce Chen 2-tier bamboo steamer baskets ensure even and gentle steam circulation to preserve nutrients and flavors. The natural bamboo material adds a touch of elegance to your kitchenware collection while providing